Going breakfast because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. Couldn't sleep thinking about food. So hello. I'm coming here after breakfast. I'm on my way to the pool now. Going to the pool. It's almost our last day, so going to the pool, take some pictures, have a dip in the pool, and then I'm going to UBUD. It's 8 AM now, so on my way to the pool. What is something is where to sit? Should I go here? We're going to UBUD. Let's go. The driver has arrived. Let's go. So excited. Having açaiii. So I had açaiii. I thought here was going to be just waterfalls, but actually no, it's actually a whole different village. So I'm gonna get coffee now, and I'm gonna try to go to the toilet because I need to go to the toilet. I didn't wear makeup for that, but I feel like I should have worn makeup. But it's okay, if I see waterfall, I'll just jump. My skin is such a mess. So hot. I really hope I'm not lost because I'm just here alone, but this is so pretty, but I just hope I'm not lost. But I'm such a challenge girl, I keep saying that every single video. All the way for a waterfall that doesn't exist. Oh my god. Just gonna book a cab right now to go back to town. I've booked all the way just for that. I'm so pissed at Apple Maps. Like, I don't find a waterfall. been a waste. I went to UBUD, I went to get açaiii, I wanted to see the waterfalls, I didn't know where to find them. I ended up somewhere a bit remote. Then I was scared of no. And then all of the cabs kept cancelling, so I was scared. And then I was like, let me just go to the beach. So I went to the other side of Bali, and I'm in the east side, and then the beaches were so dirty. So it's like, I couldn't find a clean beach. And then I was like, what am I doing at the beach anyway? Because I don't like beaches, and I'm usually scared of like beaches. Actually, I don't really swim in beaches. That's why I always book hotels. Like I said, just wanted to make like something out of my day. And then I was like, let me just book another thing to go back home. So now I'm back home. I'm like at the pool, but it's almost my last day. But yeah, it's just me at the pool. So yeah, I don't know. So I had a drink, 2 drinks. I think I'll go upstairs and get a nap. And I have some people coming. And I actually saw like different dolphins, but I didn't do it because next day I tried to film. I was like, I'm going to do it like tomorrow. But I should have done it back then. At least maybe it wouldn't have been that much of a waste. I hate myself. Going back, I'm gonna have a nap and then see, because I feel like my day has been a total waste. And it's almost my last day. But that's a good thing that I went early. I just spent a lot of unnecessary amounts of money. And why is my light was on? I spent a necessary time of a necessary amount of money, like today, going there. Yeah, I didn't even take my vitamins. Oh, that's also why I was feeling low. And my skin, I feel like I'm gonna have my girl time of the month. My skin is breaking up so much. Oh, I'm so tired. So tired. Everything is wet. All my clothes are wet. Oh, my hair wet. Everything. So those are all the shoes I brought with me for the trip. And I actually have well, I have trainers just in case in my luggage, but as you guys know or may know or don't know, I don't wear trainers at all. The trainers that I've had are trainers that I've had since high school. I've never worn trainers, so yes, I always wear heels, either in London, whether in London or abroad, overseas on a trip. So those are my shoes. So I've ordered the food and I'm going downstairs to wait for the driver by the door because I'm so hungry. I've ordered chicken katsu and fries.